Unlock the secret to thicker hair. 4 proven home remedies revealed. Having thick, voluminous hair is a desire shared by many. If you're tired of dealing with thin or lifeless locks, look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we will unveil 4 proven home remedies that can help you unlock the secret to thicker hair. These remedies are backed by science and have been used by people around the world to promote hair growth and improve hair thickness. Say goodbye to thinning hair and hello to a fuller, more vibrant mane. Scalp massage with essential oils. One effective home remedy for thicker hair is scalp massage with essential oils. Massaging the scalp stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, promoting hair growth and thickness. Combine a few drops of essential oils like lavender, rosemary, or peppermint with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil. Gently massage this mixture into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes before washing your hair. Repeat this process a few times a week for optimal results. Onion juice treatment. Onion juice is a natural remedy known for its hair-strengthening properties. It contains sulfur, which helps improve blood circulation to the hair follicles and promotes thicker hair growth. Extract juice from a freshly chopped onion and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour, then rinse thoroughly. Repeat this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for noticeable results. Aloe vera gel application. Aloe vera gel is not only great for soothing sunburns but also for promoting hair growth and thickness. It contains enzymes that help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, allowing for better nutrient absorption and healthier hair growth. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp and massage it gently. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Incorporate this treatment into your hair care routine a few times a week to see improvements in hair thickness. Balanced diet and nutritional supplements. Maintaining a balanced diet and ensuring adequate intake of essential nutrients is crucial for healthy hair growth. Include foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as biotin and omega-3 fatty acids, in your diet. Additionally, consider incorporating nutritional supplements specifically formulated for hair health, such as biotin supplements or a multivitamin that supports hair growth. Consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist to determine the best supplements and dosages for your needs. Conclusion. Achieving thicker hair doesn't have to involve expensive treatments or products. By harnessing the power of these 4 proven home remedies, you can unlock the secret to thicker, more luscious locks. Remember to be patient and consistent with your chosen remedies, as natural solutions often take time to show results. Embrace these natural approaches, make them part of your hair care routine, and soon you'll be enjoying the benefits of thicker, healthier hair. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.